Today, in writing skills, we shall learn a skill of story writing. Everyone loves stories, not only children but also grown ups as well as old. Story is an account of people, real or imaginary, and events which are narrated for entertainment. But to tell a simple story well requires practice. A well written story is one that is interesting enough to hold the reader's attention. There are many types of stories that can be real or based on fiction depending on the theme. Fiction means novels that describes imaginary events and people. There are various elements which make a story interesting, like the characters, the time, the place, the events and actions, and above all, the central idea or theme. Central idea means the main idea. We need to take care of the following things while writing a story. First, theme or subject. A story always has a theme, a beginning, a middle, and an end. When you write a story, it should be divided into 3 paragraphs, and each paragraph should have a proper idea. So, you should select a theme carefully and focus on it while writing a story. Second, characters. Every story has a main character and some other characters. They can be animals, people, or sometimes even non-living things, such as a king, a magician, an elf, a fairy, a witch, a stone, a cat, a book, etc. Select a few characters. Avoid having too many characters. That will create a confusion among the readers. Third, setting. Think of where your story takes place. In a garden, at home, in the jungle, on the hill, etc. Also decide whether your story is set in the present, the past, or the future. The writing of a story should be simple and natural, such that an impression is created on the reader. If the story is interesting, then the reader loves to read it. The following points should be remembered while writing a story. First, read the given outline or the words carefully before beginning a story. Second, do not omit any points or cancel any word. Third, use simple and easy language which will help a reader to understand it. Use adjectives to make the story colorful with the words such as kind, honest, brave, sly, faithful, etc. Fourth, every story teaches a lesson or a moral or suggests a moral for your story. The meaning of the story should be clear. Fifth, the length of the story should be at least 50 to 60 words, that is 3 paragraphs or 12 to 15 sentences. For each paragraph, you need to leave 2 fingers space and you should not leave a line after the paragraph. Sixth, avoid merely copying just the outline and adding just the nouns. Seventh, very important, Always write a story in the past tense. Here is a model story. Outline: two cats and a monkey. Two cats steal a cake. They quarrel over their share. They ask a monkey for two equal divisions, that is parts, of the cake. Cats are deceived. Deceived means to believe something that is not true. Title: Two Cats and a Monkey. Two cats lived in a house. Once they stole a piece of cake. They could not decide how to divide the cake between themselves. So, they began to quarrel over the share. At last, they came to a monkey and asked him to make equal divisions of the cake. The clever monkey took the opportunity to deprive them of the thing. So, he began to weigh the cake after breaking it into two parts. Each time, he put the unequal portions on the scale and bit a part of it to make them equal. Thus, he ate up the entire cake. In this way, the two cats were befooled by the monkey and went away. Here, lived, stole, began, came, took, beat, ate, and went. All these words are used in the past tense. Moral: Quarrels create the advantage for third person. So, in life, we should all act wisely and not be foolish by quarreling over anything. Thank you for watching the video.